So here's a video of leaf cutting ants. What is very interesting about leaf cutting ants is you will always find them in these sort of lines where one line is carrying leaves back to the anthill while the other line is going out to go collect more leaves. What is also very interesting is as you see that some of the ants that are carrying the leaves back to the anthill have other ants that don't have leaves walking next to them for defense. These ants are going to use these leaves they are collecting to garden a special bread fungus that they will then consume within the ant hill. So these ants can lift up to 10 times their body weight, and these leaf pieces are up to 3 times their body weight. One thing that was kind of upsetting was I wasn't able to follow it all the way back to the ant hill because the jungle got so rigorous and I kept losing the trail of ants. But these ants are also a reddish color, but they aren't thought to be a type of fire ant, so they don't bite anyone and it doesn't sting. They just mainly collect leaves for the colony. Here's a video of butterflies. What I love about these butterflies is just the coloring of them, how it is so bright and so exquisite, and they really do stand out in the rainforest. And they're very friendly, so they're totally okay with humans coming close to them. Another interesting thing is that locals do leave out these plates of food for them. I don't know exactly what it was and I wasn't able to get close enough, but I thought it was super interesting that they want to make sure the butterflies are fed well. The main butterfly of Costa Rica is this blue morpho, and is really well known for the bright blue coloring on the wings. Also, it was upsetting to see some butterflies do have broken, kind of ruined wings, but it doesn't really affect their flying. They still are able to get places. It's just the wings aren't as beautiful as they may appear sometimes. The Costa Rica now has over 1,251 different species of butterflies. Here are some videos of dragonflies. So how the locals here in Costa Rica name the dragonflies is depending on their eye color. So the dragonflies with the blue eyes are spine-bellied dryad dragonflies, and the ones with the red eyes are brown set-wing dragonflies. And what is really interesting is I got up so close you could see the pattern on the eyes and the bright color and also the wings. You can just see how they lay down when they're sitting and just the intricate little scales on them, which I thought was super interesting. In some instances, I was able to get close enough where you can see the decoration on the body. Here's a swarm of mosquitoes. You don't really notice they bite you till later, which kind of sucks. And then this is really cool. This is a video of a spider web I found perfectly saved in the rainforest. What was also interesting is this was the most common type of spider web. This one that's kind of just twigs and everything coiled together, and you can see insects left inside the web. And while I was here, it was super rainy, so I assumed that the spiders weren't out because they were probably trying to hide from the rain and stay out of it. So I was kind of upset I didn't see any, but it was really cool to see the spider webs and kind of how they contribute to the ecosystem.